Hi, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today we have a Navara D40 made in Spain. Today we're gonna show you how to uh, do the timing chain replacement. So yeah, this is what we have here. YD25 engine, and I'll just show you how to do the timing for this one, and the timing mark for the injection pump here is that one here. Yeah, and make it sure you put a dowel guide for the injection pump. Make it sure that you put that one there. If not, then you will miss the timing for the injection pump and the engine won't start. So the timing for the crankshaft sprocket is that one there. It will do its job. So and then this one here, if you can see, we have a double row timing chain, while the previous one, the genuine one, is just only a single row. So we convert it into a double row timing chain so that it will be more stronger and durable, and it will get more longer life than the single row. So that's the original one. That's the genuine one here. It's a single row chain on the lower part. And then yeah, so we have I convert it into double row to make it more stronger and more life uh, lifespan for the chain. And then yeah, this is the instruction. If you want, yeah, you can have that one there. Yeah, and all the torque, tightening torque also. So yeah, so the most important here is you have to put that lock, sprocket lock there for the injection pump, to make it sure that your injection pump is in the right time. So now guys, this is the timing for the camshaft. That's the dot for the injection pump. So if you can see it clearly there, yeah, that's the one here with the yellow color on the timing chain. And the camshaft here, that's the intake. Yeah, there's a dot also in there. Just align that timing chain mark, which is black. And then the exhaust one, the same thing, dot with a black uh, color on the timing chain. So the torque for the camshaft sprocket is 142 Newton meter, both exhaust and intake. And just be careful for removing the exhaust camshaft sprocket bolt, because don't use a rattle gun or else you will snap your camshaft. So when you tighten that one, use that spanner there. If you have a longer one, that's much better, and it should be someone holding that one when you torque the bolt for this for the camshaft. So again, don't use a rattle gun when you tighten the camshaft bolt sprocket, or else you will snap or bend your camshaft. And yeah, that's all the timing for the upper chain. So very straightforward. It's not really much difficult. It's just easy for all those mark. The most important there is don't forget to put a pin on the injection pump and you will be good. So this is the timing for the balancer shaft. This is balancer shaft. These two, that's the one there, and to the crankshaft sprocket, that's the one there. Yeah, so it's very straightforward. Just two dot, one dot in the middle, two dot, one dot in the middle, and that's all. So yeah, and don't forget that o-ring to put a new one, and then yeah, that's all. We have to fit the timing cover, and that's it. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you on our next video.